In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export trade history from MT4. This is a quick and reliable way to create a clean record of your closed trades for analysis, reporting, or taxes. First, open MetaTrader 4 and log into your trading account. At the bottom of the platform, look for the Terminal panel. If you don't see it, press Ctrl+T to toggle it on. Along the bottom of that panel, you'll find several tabs. Click the one labeled Account History. This view lists your closed orders along with key details like symbol, time, price, profit or loss, commissions, and swaps. Think of it as your ledger of everything that's been finalized on the account. Before exporting, it's a good idea to filter the time period so your report only includes what you actually need. Right-click anywhere inside the Account History list to open the context menu. You'll see options like All, which displays the complete history available on the server, Last 3 months for a quick recent snapshot, and Custom Period for precise date ranges. Choose the option that fits your purpose. If you select Custom Period, pick your start and end dates to match the time frame you want to capture, such as a calendar month, a quarter, or a tax year. This keeps your export focused and avoids clutter from unrelated trades. Once the period is set, it's time to save the report. Right-click again inside the Account History list. You'll have two export choices. Save as Report creates a straightforward HTML file that summarizes your filtered trade history. Save as Detailed Report produces an HTML statement with additional statistics and a more comprehensive breakdown, which can be especially useful if you're reviewing performance metrics in depth. After you choose your preferred option, select a location on your computer and give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. The platform will generate the file instantly because the export is in HTML format. You can open it in any web browser to review the contents or share it as needed. If you ever notice missing or extra trades, return to the Account History tab, adjust the period, and export again to keep your records accurate. That's all there is to it. Open the Account History tab, choose the period you want, and save your history as a report. With these steps, you can produce clean, consistent statements from MT4 anytime you need them.